All right, the pump house. I don't know if it's a museum. All photographers report to the pump house office. Can you believe that? Like they're gonna control photography. It's hard to. Why is that bike hanging? I think that's to signify somebody died. But it's not completely white. No, that one is blue. They're hanging bicycles. That's pretty weird. All photographers must, once again, visitors sign in at office. What? Are you kidding me? Whoa, even if you're not a professional, you gotta have a permit to take photography. Okay, why don't you enforce it? You can put up the signs. Now it's time to make the enforcement. Yeah, I don't know what they're regulating exactly. Being in public. Oh wow. I just ride right on through? Uh-oh. Okay. Ooh. Bicycles? I'm just riding right on through. Office is here. I don't see anybody. I was gonna do a behind the back shot with that lady pulled in. I don't know if she was gonna just jump out and say, "Hey, what are you doing?" Alright, so this is the pump house. I'm just kind of riding around it. I thought it was 0.7 miles. I thought I was further away. Suddenly man, it really smells like dead fish. That's the Rio Grande. A lot of cage doors. I don't know, like whatever, $40. Oh, here we go again, a third sign. What is it? Violators exercising their First Amendment. This is good. I did not see that violators will be prosecuted. I like this one. That is picture worthy. Look at this. This is why you can't build a wall either. Is because the river shifts. So maybe this was how it was going, and maybe it circled around through here, hitting the pump house. That churned out a lot of smoke, maybe. And then it moved a half of a mile. Is that Border Patrol? He's got a backpack on, so he can't go in to his car wearing a back. Yeah, that's Border Patrol. All right, big fence. All right. Oh, all right. I guess this is one of the water softener things. It's pretty neat to see this old telephone here. Look at this. This thing is hard to crank. It's really weird. Nothing's going on in here. When you crank it, talk into this, moves up and down. Maybe you can tighten it. Pretty neat. Alright, so I tried getting in the door. That's where the bathroom is? There's nobody in there. But it's pretty neat. You just walk around self-guided. You just see all the different displays. Nobody else is really here. What? Flash drive? Big pump area. They probably don't want you going down those stairs. Or these. Yeah, they got it locked. They don't want you down in the pump area. Central fugal pumps. And somebody set up their model train. Alright. Looks like a car engine. Lots of water equals cotton. So they grew cotton. Turbine pumps. It's pretty neat. Two of them. And then they go out to here next to this trail. Talk about who invented what. That led to bringing it all together. Worthington engine. So these pumps drove engines, one on this side and one on the other side. Gas engine. Why would you need a gas engine if you're relying on water? So I had this massive engine with plenty of parts laying around, and that chain lifted up and through the doors, vents for the roof. Yeah, it's pretty interesting setup here. Pumps going through the walls. Oh wow, I can walk over there. These holes in the walls are interesting. Oh, I have to enter through the outside? It's not really locked. Alright, so I got over here through this little corridor. I don't know how they feed. Oh man, this is a corpse. Do they feed wood into this smokestack? Yeah, it's falling apart. This is weird. I think this might pick up. Nope. No. What is this stuff? For the heating? And then they describe it to be part of the boilers. Right? Oh yeah, they feed wood. And then that's just another angle of the pumping activity. Just kinds of various stuff. various little tools and whatever. Alright, I can climb this ladder. Not sure if it's safe. Well, it's as safe as you can expect. What's over there? I am standing on the edges. The wood looks strong, but I'm not light. Oh, okay, that's the entrance. And then these are all the maintenance stuff. Everything of interest. You could climb to the top, but I won't. Oof. All right, just doing a little recording of Border Patrol taking a whiz and coming down here too. Oh my God, there's stairs? No wonder they warned. Oh, kind of bad. So he just kind of takes a whiz on the side of the sidewalk, really. I mean, it shows how there's such a lack of activity around here then. Ooh. Oh, you can see the big pumps down here. I could not see those. I could not see those from just up there. So that's a difference. Whoops. Alright, after being on that Border Patrol trail, it's technically not public property. Coming back to the pump house area, and this is an old jail, I believe, a county jail. Conveniently located right next to the courthouse, which looks empty. Yeah, you can look right in the windows. I might get a better angle on this window. Next to the BBVA bank. Ooh, quite a spider web. They do have a historical sign. I know it's the courthouse. I'm sure they to make it interesting, they can mention famous trials. They might. I doubt there's any though. And then this is a very old building too. We're in the courthouse plaza. I don't see any sign on this side. Yeah, there's no sign. Some kind of a warehouse, I guess. I would guess. Alright, trying to take advantage of the shade as best I can. I don't really like pointing right in the sun. So this is an old house, no sign. Looks like a cabin. Oh, I got a fence to the sidewalk here. Oofda. And there's this old house too, you can look in. It's kind of blocked off though. But it's not blocked off from here. This still gets electricity. It doesn't look safe to enter. Whoa. Yeah, you got this. The roof is caving in and I don't know, they let people in, I guess. Come right on in. Let's take a peek next to the courthouse area. What have we here? Be careful. Be very careful. Yeah, I don't really want to deal with the bricks. Definitely a lot of old stuff here. Yeah. Not sure if somebody lived here or what.